Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I'm going to review 5 top coins that are undervalued right now on this dip, and this will be good to invest and get a nice earning on the middle short term. The coins that I will show you here are not random coins, they respond to these 3 parameters. The first one, they are solid projects. The second one is very important that they have a good recovery price ratio on the past. And the third one is that they have a higher dip percentage from the last all-time high right now. Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications, and put your comments below. What do you think about these coins and what is your strategy to invest in these coins right now? Without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, remember that I covered these 5 coins because they accomplish these 3 parameters. First, they are solid projects. Second, great recovery price ratio in the past. And third, they dip higher percentage from the last all-time high compared to another coins. Our first coin, of course, is Bitcoin, even if that could be obvious. Let's check here. From the last all-time high, it was here. It was around 64,500. We already have been bottom at 33%. So if you invest right now at $43,000, you will be having a 33% chance to go in and recover to our last all-time high. And this happened the 15th of April. So 14th of April, actually, it was here. Yeah, 15th of April. So it was only 1 month ago that we reached our last all-time high for Bitcoin. So if we recover to that price, we are assuming that the bull run is not over. I don't think it's over yet. That means that in a very short middle term, you will be able to get a 33% of gains on this investment, and that is a lot. Maybe you are not considered comparing to another markets, but this recovery is a lot of percentage for one winning. The other thing is that in terms of RSI, a quick TA for Bitcoin, we are already overextended, oversold. We are at 30 already. So if we break that level, we will be out of the default parameters for the RSI. The stochastic RSI is already at near 0. It's almost crossing here. But the most important thing for me right now is the hash ribbons on the daily basis. These indicators have been marking exactly very good opportunities to buy Bitcoin. We saw a couple of days ago that this flash again. Still didn't flash the buy signal that you need to wait here. But you always, during this period, you see this capitulation from the miners here. So after turns finish the red zone, sometime after that start the green again, we will see the buy sign here, and we already marked this as green. So this capitulation time is over. So probably this could be 1 or 2 weeks. Also, it's not just 1 or 2 days, but we are waiting for a buy signal on the hash ribbons. And actually, I took this sign very serious the last time because I missed it a couple of times before. And this was having confluence to another indicators. For example, here, the stochastic RSI, and not the RSI in this case, but many others. So this will be a very important sign if you want to invest in Bitcoin. So because of that and another indicators, I don't think we will break 40,000 below. Maybe tomorrow when this video is launched, that happen. I mean, this is only my opinion. I see a strong support here. We had support before here. If we break the 40,000 level, we could go directly to 37, then below 34 or 30. There are not much resistance on support areas between 30 and 40. We mainly had this descending triangle here formation, which was bullish and break up. But if we break $40,000 and below, that will be bad news for Bitcoin. I don't think it will happen. I think we will have some recovery capitulation here and start resuming our uptrend, and pay attention to the daily hash ribbons when they put the buy signal. So because of that 33% that we have from the dip, that's why Bitcoin is my first coin to buy right now. Our second coin is Vechain, still in position 18 on CoinMarketCap. Vechain has been down a lot from the last all-time high. Let me check it here. But we have our last all-time high here on 19th of April, if I put it correctly, 17th of April. And from there to the current point, we have been dipping like 43% almost. Yeah, 43%. So the last all-time high was at 27, almost 28 cents. And right now we are at 16 cents. So 43% is a very, very strong, deep percentage that we have. Vechain is a solid project. They continue having partnerships. There is a lot of confirmation right now. And he won the position in the top 20 coins. So I think Vechain also has a very quick recovery price action ratio. And I think to get back to the 30 cent level is very possible for Vechain in this bull run, in this middle short term. We have support in the Fibonacci golden pocket right now. We are overextended already here. So I think still we have chances to recover all these percentages. That's why Vechain is my coin number 2. Before we continue with the video, remember that I am doing an amazing giveaway. I will be giving half of a Bitcoin to one winner and 5 Ethereum to 5 different winners. If you want to participate, it's super easy, just a couple of clicks. Follow the link in the description. But remember that you need to be subscribed to the channel with the bell on to be considered. My coin number 3 is PSwap, the token for Polkaswap. This is a project that is launched already, the soft launch of a decentralized exchange based on Sora network for Polkadot. So I am very bullish on this project. If you are already a subscriber, you already know that because I did like 5 videos about Polkaswap. It's a little tricky, but you can see here how to buy PSwap tokens on Polkaswap.io soft launch already. You also have my millionaire strategy for Polkaswap here, and I also make some comments for that. And I did a video on how to enter into a liquidity pool for Polkaswap tokens also. And I did a video of the competitor Polkadex if you want to see that, but I am not too bullish on Polkadex. I am bullish on Polkaswap. And actually the price right now is 59 cents. I enter into the 13 cents and 27 cents in 2 times. But I think still Polkaswap below $1 is a very good entry. If you check here, we have a peak of almost $1 here, 97 cents on the 15th of May. So that was only a couple of days ago. That's why I think we are like a 40% below the dip, the all-time high. Polkaswap still has a lot of room to go. I will think that we can see a $5, between $5 and $10 PSwap tokens on this bull run, and for July and August when Polkadot auction parachains be realized on Kusama and Polkadot, I think Polkaswap will still have a very big run. So that's why PSwap is my token number 3 on this list. My coin number 4 is BNB, the token for Binance. This has been dipping 28% until the current price. Of course, dip a little more, but I am just doing it to the time of the video. If you buy right now, I mean tomorrow this could be very different, but at the time of the video this is a 28% actually that we dip. Binance Coin also has been a very great recovery price ratio. Each time that we get a low, the token recovers and creates new all-time highs very quick in comparison with another coins. So that's why it's in my position 4. If you buy BNB at these prices and with all the hype that we have on the Binance Smart Chain, with all the projects there, Binance Coin of course will continue rising. I see a $1,000 coin for Binance or more in this bull run. So for a middle short term, I will say that buying right now at these levels is a very good investment. I am comparing all these tokens against USDT. I think this is one of the possible strategies, that you put new money into the crypto market, buy these coins, and in the middle short term you will have this 30 to 40% return on your investment. Then the strategy will be that you can take out and put in dollars again or in fiat the investment that you did, and you held the rest of the investment in the coins that you diversify over this video. That will be a possible strategy right now for this. So this is why Binance Coin is my number 4 on this top 5. And my 5th coin is PancakeSwap, the token Cake, already in position 43. And Cake has been having a very big dip from the all-time high. If we measure that, we will see that we almost hit $44. Right now we are in 39, almost 40% down from the last all-time high. That happened the 19th of May. We are at $27 right now. So PancakeSwap is a very good project. It's the main decentralized exchange for Binance Smart Chain. So together with BNB, I think they are the two most powerful coins for the network. So I think Binance PancakeSwap will recover quickly also. We don't have too much historic data from recovery points, but these dips that we can see here, they fill up and recover to the last all-time high very quickly. Same happened here. We hit an all-time high, we have a dip, and the recovery was fast. The same here, and then we create this very big high to the 44 area, and we are experiencing a dip. Already held in support on the Fibonacci golden pocket. So from here we are overextended on the momentum for stochastic and also to other momentum indicators. So I think we could hold support around this area and start holding support here at 27 and create some consolidation and move again to the upside. So because it's almost a 40%, I think it's a great opportunity right now to invest. Okay guys, well, this is the top 5 cryptos to buy in this dip, and this is the chart that I want to show you regarding what I just showed in each of the videos. A 35% for Bitcoin from the all-time high at the current date, and the all-time high was 14th of April from 65,000. We now are at the current price of 43,400, so that is 35%. For Vechain, we have a 43% to this dip from the last all-time high. So I think I am investing big in Vechain right now, not because I don't have already a very big bag of Vechain, which give me free BTOR also, but just because in this case the strategy that I am doing is buying these coins right now, mainly in Vechain, which has the higher percentage here. And I will wait to recover that percentage and recover my investment in USDC and USDT that I am doing to get the earnings here. But I will not hold these tokens after I do that. So the strategy is that invest right now at these price levels, wait for the recovery at least to the last all-time high. So you will be winning 43%, 35%, almost 40% here. Binance 26% and PancakeSwap 39%. If you want to compare to another altcoins that I didn't include in this video, Chainlink 19.4%, from the last all-time high to the dip. Cardano also 17%. Is not a great opportunity right now to enter into Cardano for the short term, middle term. Yes, for the rest of the bull run, I think $2 ADA is good, but not for this strategy. So that's it. So Ethereum at 21% and DOT at 22%. Well guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications. If you didn't saw my video of Polkaswap, please, I recommend you to see it. I think it's a great opportunity to invest in PSwap right now. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.